It was a calm night in May 2025. Then, out of nowhere, explosions rocked multiple cities across Pakistan. Indian missiles struck military installations with stunning precision. Air bases, radar stations, and strategic targets were all hit within minutes. India called it Operation Sindoor. But while the damage was visible, something was missing. Where were the air defenses? Where was Pakistan's powerful HQ-9 missile system? How did Indian missiles break through so easily? Was it a failure, or is the truth more complicated? After the Balakot airstrike in 2019, Pakistan recognized the need for stronger air defense. It turned to China and acquired the HQ-9, a high-altitude, long-range surface-to-air missile system designed to intercept aircraft, cruise missiles, drones, and even some ballistic missiles. The HQ-9 offered a range of 100 to 200 kilometers. Depending on the variant, it was seen as a game-changer. However, the exact number of HQ-9 units received by Pakistan and their deployment locations remains unknown. Pakistan's air defense includes more than just the HQ-9. Other elements include the HQ-16FE for medium-range threats, a network of radars, electronic warfare systems, AI integration, and satellite-based technologies to improve response time and targeting. In the past, Pakistan claimed to have soft-killed incoming BrahMos missiles and Israeli Harp drones. But during the May 2025 attacks, these systems failed to keep up. Why? Because the HQ-9 is optimized for high-flying, long-distance threats, not low-flying, short-range, high-speed cruise missiles like the BrahMos or Storm Shadow. These were launched from the air, making them even harder to detect and intercept. Geography played a critical role. India and Pakistan share a 3,323-kilometer-long border. In many areas, military forces are separated by just a few kilometers. Even the farthest point inside Pakistan is less than 1,000 kilometers from the Indian border. A BrahMos missile, traveling at nearly Mach 3, can reach its target in 16 to 20 minutes. For closer targets, the time is reduced to just minutes, or even less. That provides barely enough time to detect, verify, and intercept. Even the most advanced systems in the world would struggle under such conditions. Israel's Iron Dome does not stop every rocket from Gaza. Russia's S-400 fails to intercept all Ukrainian missiles. India's own S-400 would face similar difficulties against short-range Pakistani missiles. No air defense system is perfect. Close-range, high-speed attacks are the hardest to defend against. Pakistan understands this reality. That is why investment continues in mobility and flexibility. Mobile missile launchers, mobile radar systems, hardening and dispersing key assets, and even using highways as emergency runways for fighter jets. But the most important part of Pakistan's strategy is deterrence. If attacked, a massive retaliation will follow. That is the message. This threat of overwhelming counterattack often prevents a first strike, because no system can guarantee 100% protection. Pakistan keeps enhancing offensive capabilities. Sometimes the best defense is a strong counterattack. So why did the HQ-9 not stop India's missiles? Not because it failed, but because it was never designed to stop every kind of threat, especially short-range, high-speed missiles launched from close proximity. When the adversary is next door, even seconds make a difference. In modern warfare, the strongest shield may not be steel, but the fear of what comes next.